Have you invested time in developing your Unity project since last year and are now eager to publish it on Play Store? However, you may have encountered a common challenge as Android continually updates its policies regarding the minimum API level. If you're using an older version of Unity with an API level lower than the current Play Store requirements, you might face issues like this. So to resolve this, open the command prompt, copy the SDK folder specified in the error message, locate the bin folder in your Windows containing the .bat files, and navigate to that directory in the command prompt. You can access the SDK manager.bat file by typing SDK manager.bat and install the required Android API labels such as API level 33 using the provided command as shown here. Now we got an error. Let's now address another potential issue, which if you encounter an error in the command prompt indicating that Java is not recognized, it's likely that Java is not installed on your system. So we can confirm this by typing the relevant command and if necessary visit java.com to download and install the latest version. After installation, check the Java version in the command prompt and we can see there is the installed Java version. With Java install, attempt to install the targeted Android SDK API level again by following the previous steps. You can go to bin folder, SDK manager.bat, and then choose the targeted API level. Accept the agreement, but you might encounter another error if the installation file fails to unzip. Like it got stuck in 10% here in my case. You can go back to command prompt, open it with administrative privileges or run as administration, access the bin folder again and run SDK manager.bat with the appropriate command like earlier. Accept the agreement, and now you can see the installation is successful. Now go back to Unity, navigate to project settings and verify minimum API level in other settings. For the target API level, choose either API level 33 or the highest you want and build your project again. Voila, the error should be resolved and your application is successfully built.